Afternoon, everyone. A happy peak of the week, Wednesday, too. Let's take a look here at your pinpoint water vapor satellite over the last 24 hours. The brighter colors indicate highest concentrations of moisture. Seeing that out across portions of the upper Midwest into the Great Lakes, trailing down into the Ozark Plateau. And we have a cold front situated in here as well. And if you look closely, you're seeing disturbance after disturbance rotating out of the Rockies, heading across the plains. And so yesterday we had some active weather across portions of Missouri, eastern Kansas. Today we're likely to see it again as the jet stream takes another dip here. You're seeing these brighter colors popping up across the southern plains with that front situated in here. Certainly would not be shocked to see some strong to severe thunderstorms. Hail, high winds, tornadoes, all a possibility from northeast Texas back into eastern Oklahoma up toward the Ozarks and into the upper Midwest. We'll see snow across the Rocky Mountains into the northern plains, parts of the northeast as well. Some rain in the Pacific Northwest. High pressure settles in over the southwestern states, and while we're still expecting to see some clouds drift overhead, I think you'll see a westerly wind flow across the region today that ultimately shoves the moisture just off to the eastern fringe of the area. So I think if you're in, say, Odessa or Midland or Big Spring, and you look off to the east this evening, you're likely to see some of those thunderstorms in the distance. I just don't believe they'll be directly overhead, allowing for dry conditions to continue once again today. What you will notice is a very strong increase in the wind speeds. We've already been seeing that uptick through the morning. We'll likely continue that into the afternoon here, seeing 17, 18, 19, 20 mile an hour sustained winds with even a few higher gusts all the way up through 5 o'clock this afternoon. So look out for a strong westerly wind today. I wouldn't call it a windy day, but it's certainly going to be a noticeable wind, probably a bit breezy for some. Then into the midnight hour, notice you have a southwest wind here at Fort Stockton, a northwest wind Odessa and Midland, and a straight north wind up to Hobbs, New Mexico, and that's a stronger wind to the north here. A cold front will be sitting just across the northern part of the area by midnight. That'll be dropping into the region overnight. Look at these wind speeds: 23, 24, 25 mile an hour sustained winds with even gusts above 30 miles an hour. You'll definitely hear it as it comes through, but while it does move through the area, most of you will be sleeping. 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, you see that fronts down here to the south across the Marfa Plateau, parts of the Big Bend and the Davis Mountains, lower Trans-Pecos as well. As that front continues to move through the area overnight, I do expect to see at least a chance of precipitation to the south and east of us. In fact, some of those thunderstorms pop up this evening, could be as far to the west as San Angelo. So again, if you're in these eastern parts of the area this evening, you might be able to look out to the east and see a thunderstorm or two. I just don't believe they'll be widespread here in the basin. We'll see a chance of rain continue across parts of the Concho Valley through the overnight hours tomorrow morning as that front continues to sink southward. We'll look for cooler temperatures here in the basin, going from 85 today down to 64 tomorrow. Then we'll bounce back into the 70s and 80s this weekend with a chance of rain returning early next week.